So let's get into this full face. Every single video, it seems like I use the exact same products, and the amount I use is not that much. So I really don't rebuy makeup a lot. Because when you have a good eyeshadow palette, that mug gonna be with you for a good while. You got a nice little eyeshadow base, that mug is not gonna run out too fast. And I stopped wearing foundation because I really love my complexion that God created, and I just was not with the whole full face foundation and concealer and then this and kind of like that was just too much for my skin. So now I just use concealer and blush and setting powder and highlighter, basically everything except for foundation, and it's really been working for me. And I love how my natural skin tone is still able to be seen, and even though I have on makeup, you could still see me through the makeup, and that's just how I like my makeup. And I really thought this makeup look was cute. And yeah, thank y'all for watching though.